Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I have this super cute pigtail hairstyle that we did. It took us less than 5 minutes to do, so it's perfect for any school day morning. If you're new to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. We post new tutorials on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And if you want to see how we did this, just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is create this small ponytail at the front of my daughter's hair. So I'm just going to use my comb and make some nice, neat part lines, pulling up hair at the front. You really want to make sure that you have a nice, crisp part line here because it will show whenever you put your pigtails in. And then I like to use spray gel. That helps me to smooth out any flyaways at the front of my daughter's hair. Once I get all of the hair in place, I'm just going to tie it off with a small brown elastic, and I will link in the description box where you can get any elastic or hair product that I'm using in this tutorial. Next, I'm going to make a center part, and the way I like to do that is start at her nose and draw a line back. And then I'm just going to part it down the front, and then I'll make a side part line to do my side pigtail. Again, you'll have some flyaways on the side. You can either use spray gel or sometimes I like to just use some water to smooth the hair out. And I'll repeat that on the other side. These pigtail styles are really great for younger girls who have a lot of hair that falls in their face. So when you're younger, this is a great hairstyle and will hold that hair back so it's not falling down. Next, I'm going to go back to that front pigtail and I'm going to put a little bit of spray gel in and smooth down any flyaways. That way when I'm doing my braid, I won't have any flyaways sticking out. Next, I'm going to divide the hair into 3 strands and I'm going to create a simple 3-strand braid. I told you guys this style could be done in 5 minutes on your way out the door to school. And then I'm just going to do the braid over to my far pigtail. Once I get to where the elastic is, I'm going to go a little bit farther, hold it on top of the elastic I already put in, and then I'm going to put in another brown elastic. From there, I'm going to braid these cute little pigtails. So I'm just going to wet the hair down a little bit more, comb it out so it's nice and smooth and ready to be braided. And then I'm going to do a 3-strand braid on either side of my braid. I'm going to do a 3-strand braid on both sides. At the bottom, I'll just tie it off with another brown elastic. Now, I know some of my subscribers really have to wear hair up to school. So if you wanted to, you could always connect these 2 braids in the back and then just tie them off into a ponytail if you needed to wear the hair up. But today we're just going to keep her hair down. I hope you guys love this hairstyle. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up. It really helps to support our channel and we really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.